Dr. Rushing. He's one of our oral appliance patients, and he's just going to tell you candidly his experience with his oral appliance.
The first thing that I notice is how much better I sleep. So the point is that in the morning when I wake up, I have an awful lot more energy than I did before. I don't feel as sleepy during the time that I'm seeing patients, and I feel just more energetic. And I've noticed that the oral appliance, probably first 2 or 3 days, took a little bit to get used to, as far as being, a little dry mouth and saliva and that I would have some problems with. And that went away after about 3 days or 3 nights. And after that, I've just been fine. I certainly made a difference, and it's easy to use. That's the way I would say it.
And you've been in the appliance about how long now?
Maybe 6 to 8 months, something like that.
Okay.
Can't remember because of the fact that it's like an old shoe. It just doesn't seem to bother me.
But would you encourage people that are diagnosed with sleep apnea to definitely have it treated?
It's a difference. So what difference does it make? It makes a difference as far as your energy level. You're not just sleepy during the daytime. You can concentrate better. You can think better. You don't have to drink as much Mountain Dew. Almost everybody that I know that has problems with sleep apnea is a heavy Mountain Dew user. They don't think that they have a problem, and then when they have the whatever it is, CPAP, dental appliance, surgery, they'll tell you, some of them will say, not everyone, that they feel 10 years younger. I don't know of anything else that can make a person feel 10 years younger other than having it's not just the snoring, it's of course the sleep apnea. And I always screen for people. I ask them, do you remember your dreams? Because if they don't remember their dreams, whether they're sleeping or whether they're having problems with snoring or not, there's a reason why you don't remember your dreams. And that's the number one clue that I have.
Well, great. I won't take any more of your time. I know your time is valuable, but I appreciate your testimony because I know it'll help us in our quest to just make people aware that when they treat their sleep apnea, their quality of life is better.
Well, it's also the longevity too, if I could add that. Because if anybody remembers who Reggie White was, he was a star of the Green Bay Packers. He was a defensive end, and when they went to the Super Bowls, he was, even more than Brett Favre, the best man on the team. He died at the age of 45. It's a man that, people felt very bad when they lost him, but that's his problem, was sleep apnea. So it isn't a matter that you can't function, because he functioned, as a pro athlete, but you can function better.
Thanks, Doc. Appreciate it.